Well, hey, business owners, I'm Sarah Stokes, and I am joined by the gorgeous women of Elevate 5, joining from Colorado. You guys are so glamorous. Jody and Kara, the sisters behind the beautiful digital marketing business known as Elevate 5. Hi.
Awesome. Hello,
Uh,
Sarah.
we've been doing our last minute preps for our incredible True to You business building workshop next week, and it is going to be incredible. Ladies, what are you most looking forward to? And then we can talk about who this is for.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm most looking forward to the powerhouse women in the room thus far. I mean, oh my gosh, between being able to show up with the two of you and teach in a way that I know feels good to us, really hands-on, nitty-gritty in the trenches with them. And then the women that have signed up, the different industries and the challenges they want to, be tweaking as they're growing their businesses this year. And they're just great people. So yeah, that's mine. What are you most excited about?
I'm excited too, like you said, with the big gamut of different industries that all of our fabulous ladies are covering. I am so excited to help apply what a funnel can really do for your business, no matter what industry you're in. That one
Yes.
goes.
And Kara, that leads me into mine because mine is problem solving for some of the most sticky things in business. Sales and marketing, hi. The shoulds are endless, right?
Things you
So
want to hide from.
it
Yeah.
does, it does. And it can get overwhelming. And that's why I love how we're partnering on this, because we're
Yeah.
going to cut the overwhelm from the world of funnel speak, lead magnet speak, right?
Yeah.
And we all have the pleasure of having years of this kind of stuff under our belt. So you get
Right.
the benefit of our expertise, bringing it to the like, what do you absolutely need to know? Simple solutions for your business. So who is this for, Jody? We had made a little list, and then
Yeah.
Kara too, be sure to chime in. Who is this for, ladies?
Well, first and foremost, we hit this a little bit. It's for those business owners that are looking to grow. So that naturally, I think, comes into play first. But then I'm going to cheat and go twice. Then I think the next piece is those that want to have their online presence doing some of that client attraction for them, and they just haven't figured out how to do it in a way that doesn't park them because of the tech, or it doesn't feel like an over ask, like a grab or a reach or inauthentic. So we can really sit down for that individual, that business owner, and help them navigate, how do I build this so it feels like me and I'm proud to share it, versus like, oh, I feel a little bit like I'm asking everyone to check out my widget. How can we make that that sticky piece feel really fun and authentic and in alignment for them, and have that online presence, do some sales, do some of the heavy lifting,
Yeah.
growing the business. Yeah.
Exactly. And Kara had a little joke from earlier. What is a funnel?
What?
What is right? What
Yeah.
the funnel?
I think we hear that word so much as entrepreneurs, and for a lot of the either new businesses or businesses shifting or businesses seeking big time scaling,
Yeah.
opportunities. Sometimes we just don't know how the heck we can use it and how it would ever apply to us. A lot of different industries are like, oh, that wouldn't work for me. Yeah, it would. And let us show you how.
Yeah.
So it's for that person that is thinking, what the funnel? Or the tech side. I was just laughing earlier about how much I love to nerd out over the geek speak and talk tech. I promise I won't go too deep
We'll
unless
keep
you
your
ask
lane
me
in.
to.
Please.
But the tech can actually, be really simple. And that's the way we
Mhm.
prefer to actually start it, is to start it just something that gets the job done, but doesn't overwhelm you and your clients or your team.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right.
And what I love about how we've designed this day is you're going to be so held. Number one,
Mm.
you will not feel overwhelmed because we're going to have you. We've got you. The Elevate 5 team is going to be in the room. It will be custom and delicious for you. Just like let us hold you truly. And we've bookended it. So I'm going to get you excited about your company again, excited to show up for sales, because let's be honest, most of us squirm, right? And then they're going to come in and help you make a map. Like literally, you will walk out with the plug in, ready to go funnel that you have true to you. Like we named our workshop True to You. And then I'm going to help you understand, like, how can you show up? You will walk away with tools, my ladies. I'm telling you, tools. We don't want this to be just a day of conceptual fluff. You're going to walk out with a playbook for your sales for 2024. And this will serve you for a lifetime. So you will be held. And I love that. The hands-on help, invaluable. I can't believe the investment level, PS. I cannot
Yeah.
believe it.
I know. I was thinking about that too, but we are just going to over deliver. And that is what we're here
Exactly.
for that day. Just make sure that everyone feels filled to the brim and like they really have a good concept for moving forward. And we're going to have a lot of fun in the process. I mean, what the funnel? Come on.
What the
There's
funnel and lunch and camaraderie and fun and hey, right?
yeah, and some network-
Bananas investment level low. Like
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go ahead and declare it. I'm like, this is a steal. And that's actually really fun to sell, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
that's
fun to
right.
invite you into a steal of a deal. But truly, if you've been overwhelmed, if you've been dreading this next phase, or if it's been a goal of yours, let's make it happen. You guys
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah, we are totally ready. And to do it in person,
Yes.
have this in person. Why didn't we do this in Florida? Why are we doing this in Wisconsin?
Why are we,
What
you
are
know,
we thinking?
because we got a lot of like,
And be in person and have, like you said, our team there. So there is going to be just all kinds of goodness in the room,
Yeah.
right? Live to live and belly or live and belly to belly. I'm so
Yeah.
stoked for that.
yes. Okay. And my belly will be easier to be belly to belly with after our lunch. All right.
For
After Christmas. Yeah, exactly.
Thank you, ladies. We hope
Thank
to
you,
see
Sarah.
you on January 31st from 9 to 3. We are in Eau Claire, and True to You Business Building, it will knock your socks off. Thanks.
It will. That's right.